Blackout curtains changed my sleep, but every morning I had to get out of bed just to open mine. Now, I just tap my phone. So SmartWings sent me these motorized cellular shades to try out. I've been using it for a few weeks now, so let me show you exactly what they do. These are motorized cellular shades, and cellular just means the fabrics have small air pockets built into them, which actually helps insulate a room, keeping heat in during winter and basically keeping heat out during summer. So with these shades, you can control it from your phone. You can also control it with the remote controller. And my personal favorite is to control it using scheduling, which just keeps it automated. That way I don't have to think about it and it just runs on its own. So you can install these yourself. It's pretty easy to install. But here's the one thing you really need to know before you start. Make sure you at least have a real power drill around and not just a small screwdriver. So funny enough, I started with a low power one and it made the whole process just a lot harder than it needed to be. So I had to run to a hardware store to get a power drill. And once I got the power drill, everything just went really smoothly. So once the brackets are up and fully tightened to the wall, the blind itself just pops in and pops out really easy. So putting it on and taking it off just takes about 2 seconds pretty much. So one thing to check before you order, make sure you pick the correct side you need the motor cable on. So I got mine on the left side, thinking that was the side I needed to be on. I wasn't really thinking about connecting it to a power socket. So I picked the left side, which I figured was the wrong side when I got it here. I should have gotten it on the right side, which would have made it easier for me to install the solar panel. So my solar panel cable needed an extension to reach. It still works fine, just easier to get it right the first time. So one of the biggest things throughout the process for me was dealing with your customer support. They were genuinely really good, made my process really easy. I didn't have to think about it. So I just went to their website and you just go to their customer support chat. I told them what I wanted, full blackout in my bedroom, and they just walked me through everything, told me how to get the exact size, and told me the mount type I needed. I also picked outside blinds, like you can see here in mine. There are also inside blind options for those who want inside blinds. I chose outside blinds because I heard they create a more darker space, which normally helps me sleep better. And when I told them everything I wanted, they made sure to let me know for measurements. They recommended I go 3 to 6 inches past my window on every side. So the top, down, right, and left. Just make sure I put some cushion. Just make sure it's at least 3 to 6 inches. I would recommend confirming your measurements directly with them before you order, since every window is different. So the shades run on a rechargeable battery, which will need to be charged up probably once to twice a year. Only if you're just going to sit on your phone and just keep moving it up and down for hours, then you might need to charge it more. So there are a couple ways to recharge the battery. You can use the USB-C to a wall adapter. You can also use a power bank if there's no outlet nearby. And my personal favorite is using their solar panel. This normally doesn't come with your package, it's an add-on. But for me personally, I like to keep it hands-off as possible. So I'll just have it sit on the windowsill, plugged in. That way, it just charges the blinds on its own. There are also a couple ways to control the blinds. You can use the remote, which works instantly. You don't normally need a setup if you just have one blind. If you have multiple blinds, then you might have to set them up in different channels. Also, you can control the blinds using your phone through the Smart Life app. For those who like voice control, they also have options for you guys. These work with Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, Home Assistant, and many more. You can check more options on their website. For me, like I said, I like to make everything feel automated. So scheduling was the biggest one for me, and this is the one I actually use the most. For mine, I scheduled it to open at 7 a.m. and close at 7 p.m. automatically every day. I never have to touch it, and honestly, if you're someone who struggles to wake up, this doubles as a wake-up trick. So what I do, I set it open right when my alarm goes off, real sunlight hits my face, and it gets me up way better than a snooze button would. So here's what I actually think about SmartWings cellular blinds. The blackout is real. It made my room genuinely dark, which continues to make a difference for my sleep. And the smart features work exactly as advertised. You can use your phone to open and close the blinds anytime you want. And also you can set a schedule, which is perfect for automation. On price, motorized blinds as a category are never going to be the cheapest options out there. That is just the nature of the tech. But for what you're getting, motorized control, the installation, the app, I think SmartWings sits fairly within that range. It's also worth mentioning this kind of setup genuinely helps people with mobility limitations or anyone who has a hard time physically operating blinds. And in my opinion, that's a real practical benefit. So if you want blinds that actually work the way they're supposed to, using your phone to control it, or even automating it with scheduling, where you don't have to think about them so much but just enjoy all the benefits, you can check out SmartWings blinds. I'll put a link in the description below. And also to let you guys know, I'll be putting up installation videos and a full app walkthrough on the channel soon if you want to go deeper once yours arrive.